Awesome, awesome.
I don't necessarily need to be here for
I'm gonna keep the headphones. Motherfucker, I'm awesome. No, you're not, dude. Don't lie. I'm awesome. I'm awesome. And I met all my friends online. Motherfucker, I'm awesome. I'm awesome. My face on my Facebook wall. Even though that went out of style like 10 years ago. Folks.
I got the swagger of a cripple. I got little biceps getting fatter in the middle.
Okay, so we're rolling. Welcome to. Crap, I lost my card. Oh, here, found it. Welcome to When Iris is Bored. You can't see it, but yeah, there's like a dinosaur there. So like, oh, where is the dinosaur? Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. There it is.
Iris,
What?
where's the thing that was right there? The window?
I don't. Oh, it's in the storage thingamajigger.
I know. Let's just write. Do you have a pen? I gotta write.
Oh, why can't you just leave me alone?
Shut up. I'll talk to you.
Hey, good. Leave.
I need my little box.
Okay, so I was saying. Oh,
It's this man.
apparently I can't be in my room alone.
Tony,
Watch.
it's this meal box.
Nobody cares. Get out of my room. Shout outs to. See, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. I'm such a bad TV host. I'm stupid. I don't know. Shout outs to let's see. Now my uncle's good. To Angela and Lucy that made my fan site. I love you girls. I don't know you in person, but I love you girls. And then shout outs to Melissa, to Freddie, to Oscar, Natalia, and Sadie. Yeah. Oh my god, stop! I'm trying to do something here. So preposterous. Feel the awesomeness. Awesome, 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 awesome. You guys want to see my best friend? Stop! It's Larry. Larry the leprechaun. Yeah, that's my best friend. Apparently, I can't be in my room alone. It's driving me crazy. Oh my friend! Yeah, I was just gonna. I'm gonna sing a song. Yeah. Feel the awesomeness, so preposterous. Stop looking at me. Stop looking at me. I'm gonna be the mighty king, so enemies beware. With such a little hair.
Be the main event. The king was before.
I'm working on my roar. Come here. Just can't wait to be king. No one say do this.
No one say be there. No one say stop there. No one say see
But it's gonna finish already. So, yeah, I was gonna talk about something, but my uncle interrupted me, so now I can't think. I know this is like really short. I know. Look at my necklace. It's like so pretty. It says love. Yes, I have a penguin in my room, and that's my uncle. Watch. Where is he? He's right there. Yeah, he was making farting noises, so then I couldn't think. So I give shout outs to Angela, Lucy, yeah, all of them, and then I'm going to leave now. I'll talk to you all later. Cause I'm awesome. No, but yeah, subscribe and give me thumbs up or 5 stars if you have an iTouch. Hit me up who wants a shout out and give me a subject because this video sucked big time. Okay, bye. I was trying to do like Shing Dawson does, but it was a fail. And that was a burp. You guys want to see burp? I'm gonna burp. I couldn't.
No, van a sacar.
Hold on. Okay, yeah, I burped. So bye.